Erin keeps making fun of me about my gloves.
You got gloves.
I have these little hand warmers in my pockets that one of the guys gave me.
We're gonna show houses to Miss Cindy Myrick today, and she grew up around here.
Yeah.
So she is not new to Laurel, she's just coming back home.
I have 4 grandchildren. I want to have plenty of room for them to play and plenty of room for my daughters.
Your collar looks like grandma's shag carpet.
Well, it's perfect for today, because Miss Cindy is an awesome grandmother.
If everybody came home at the same time, I am going to be the gathering place.
It will have to be very grand. We want to show you the Wyndham house.
Okay.
Yep. Bunny and Charlie Wyndham lived here forever.
Ever.
When we bought our first house, Miss Bunny made a pound cake and brought it over to us.
Oh.
It's 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, 3,700 square feet, which is a lot, but plenty of room for grandbabies.
Yes.
And they're asking $300,000 for it.
How do you feel about the white for the house?
I can't imagine another color.
Well, I'm glad that's how you feel, because I did a painting. And
Did
it's
you?
such small changes.
Oh, I love that. Oh, and the
Yeah.
blue door. I love blue.
I mean, have you ever
Oh my gosh.
seen ceilings this high?
Look at this. Love these high ceilings. I love all this open. It's beautiful.
Over here's the living room. The floors are gorgeous,
I love
obviously.
the floors.
Obviously, some wallpaper's been pulled down. This is the remnants of the cheesecloth. They would put the cheesecloth on there, and that's what
That's
the
what they
wallpaper's
put the
for.
wallpaper. Oh, okay.
I mean,
It's the strangest layout maybe I've ever seen in a kitchen.
Okay.
This is the laundry room, kitchen duo.
This wall? What's
Wall.
that's not a wall. These are cabinets. This is an open concept.
Oh my goodness. I like to be with everybody when we're in the kitchen. I'm like isolated over here. Well, I know that you have some ideas that you could share with me.
I can't, hang on, I can't see you.
Oh wait,
Come
I'm
be
coming
with
back.
us.
I'm coming
Come
back.
back. $75,000 for the renovation, so $375,000 all in.
Well, at least we're still under budget.
We would be under budget.
But there is another house we want to show you.
This is the Martin house. Richard and Kathy Martin built the house in 1972, and they were co-owners of Gibson's department store.
I remember Gibson's.
Yeah.
That's where we went every Saturday night when I was in school. It was the, woo, come to Gibson's.
Was that the commercial?
Yes.
When I was little, I remember going there.
It's 4 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms.
7 bathrooms.
4,700 square feet, and it's listed for $300,000.
Wow.
We're showing her 2 gigantic houses for a single lady because her grandchildren don't live near here, and so her family would need to come
And
and
spend
stay
the night
with her.
here.
It's very different
It is.
from the other house. Doesn't have quite that historical feel and charm.
I have a painting that shows you what paint can do. So if we painted this entire house a really soft, cool gray color and then changed out the front door and side lights for a more French provincial wood door, add an iron handrail because right now it's a little treacherous without
Right.
it.
Yeah.
And a little update on the landscaping.
I could like that.
Yeah.
I know that it's really unusual.
Just very different from what I was thinking.
I can't help but look up.
It's very cool to have so much natural sunlight.
I do love that.
I know that this is not your color palette, it's not your style, but I think it could very easily become a gorgeous formal living room. And in the dining room, I think just paint and a light is all
Oh,
it
yeah.
needs.
That's pretty much paint and light in both rooms, $5,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a good number.
I can live with that.
The kitchen, it needs more.
I love this.
Yeah.
This is that open togetherness feeling I was talking about.
Yeah.
I'm here and I'm cooking and I'm watching TV and I'm talking to everybody.
Yeah. I thought you might like that about this house. That's why we wanted you to see it. It feels like such a great family house for whenever
But-
It is.
What do you think about the kitchen?
Yeah.
I don't understand. The kitchen feels very small compared to this openness that I feel out here. Oh my gosh. You could have given me a little hint. I thought maybe a playground, not a pool. This is beautiful. The kids would love this.
$300,000 to buy it, $100,000 to renovate it, so $400,000. But it's, I mean, the pool, the big family area.
This is going to be a hard decision.
Have you gotten serious about a house? Have you picked one?
Yeah, is CC gonna have a pool?
Well, I have to ask you a question.
Okay.
Can you take the pool from the Martin house and put it in the backyard at the Wyndham house. You can do anything. Y'all are good.
We may need to revisit the budget.
In
Which
that
house?
case, it's got to be the Wyndham house. then.
Yes!
Okay.
I have to do it.
It's iconic.
It is. I've been by that house so many times. It just feels right. It feels like the one. It's just perfect for everybody to come stay with me. And
It's so elegant.
I'm the gathering place. The kids will just have to play in the sprinkler and the water hose.
Yay! I'm
I
so
love it.
happy for you.
Me too.
There is not a whole lot of demo to do at Miss Cindy's house, but the kitchen. The kitchen's a lot. This is the thing. This is the thing. So how do you get rid of the thing?
No, it's just cabinets. We'll just bust it out of there.
I don't really understand
We're gonna
how
cut.
that little saw is gonna render the effect that we need.
We're gonna try it anyways. Loosen it up, eh?
A lot.
Watch your toes.
Wait, this cabinet is really.
These cabinets, we're just bust them out. We're just gonna bust them.
Oh, here it goes. Kitchen already feels better. Usually we try to save cabinets, but these were so hard to get out, there was no way. The demo is done.
Things are cleaned up enough that we can start bringing in new construction. It's gonna be a really great kitchen now.
Before it was just chopped up.
It was really strange. I've never seen a kitchen so divided. And
And you know what they say, a kitchen divided against itself. That dog won't hunt.
that is what they say. That's a very famous saying.
Yeah.
Come look at this painted dining room.
You happy with it?
I love it. The dining room is done, sort of.
Sort of. The paint looks incredible.
It looks so good. Feels like it already has so much personality, even though it's a big blank room because of the tongue and groove and the color. It's a really nice contrast of formal and kind of rustic. This is our light French and pretty look. It's very on brand for Miss Cindy. Soft with a lot of natural materials that feel a little bit coastal, a little bit French, provincial, and all come together in a very southern way. That's super Cindy to me. In the foyer, we still haven't gotten the wallpaper down.
Is the wallpaper gonna be more of the light French and blue?
Yes, it'll be blue and white, but more, the front door is actually closer to the color. Okay, this is the blue.
I like it.
I love it. And then the new trim color on the casing.
He's painting the ceiling, it's looking good. White house, blue ceiling. You gotta have a Haint blue ceiling.
Obviously.
If you live in a grand southern home, it's sort of required.
Hey, show me the rest of that kitchen. We just fundamentally changed this house forever. I mean, there is no wall on the back of the kitchen anymore.
So now, Cece can sit in her kitchen or cook or whatever she wants to do and keep an eye on them grandkids.
She is gonna fit right in here.
Welcome to the Myrick house.
Oh my gosh. Are y'all kidding? Oh, it is beautiful. I love the door. The color with the hydrangeas. It's just so beautiful.
The changes we made on the outside were really relatively small. Painted the front door, the casing around the front door. We gave you new light fixtures, painted the handrails, painted the porch, new landscaping.
This is beautiful. I cannot believe this is the same room.
It was just paint and lighting in here. That's all we changed.
It's so beautiful.
Oh, and sheetrock.
That's what made this huge difference is the lightness because it was so dark. My piano.
Grand piano does a lot for a room.
It's perfect spot. Oh, and hydrangeas on the table.
Hydrangeas
I love
everywhere.
hydrangeas.
I know you do.
This is so beautiful. Oh my God. You have got to be kidding me. Would you look at these windows? This is beautiful. Oh, y'all, you brought the outside in. I cannot believe this is the same room. How could that be?
It was so crazy the way it was set up before.
I am shocked at this kitchen. I mean, I'm loving it, but I'm just,
It's overwhelming.
it is.